Sometimes, the hardest part of changing schools has nothing to do with the school itself. For many families, it's wondering, will my child make friends? Will they understand? Will someone wait if they need a little more time? Will they feel like they belong? One day, my family came to school for an event, and they saw something they'll never forget. My friends weren't treating me differently. They were simply treating me like their friend. Some waited for me. Some invited me to play. Some cheered for me. Some celebrated every little achievement. And there was one little girl. She always asked before holding my hand. If I said no, she smiled and said, "That's okay." She encouraged me. She celebrated me. She made me feel safe. Watching her made my family emotional. But then they realized something beautiful. She wasn't born knowing how to do those things. She learned them by watching her teacher, by watching my support teachers, by watching kindness, patience, and respect every single day. Then my family looked around, and they realized she wasn't the only one. Every child was showing kindness in their own unique way. That's when they understood something they'll never forget. Children are always watching. They don't just listen to what we say. They learn from what we do. So today, thank you to my friends, to my teacher, to my support teachers, to the matrons, to everyone at school, and to the parents raising children with kindness, empathy, and respect. Because you're not just helping one child, you're helping create a place where every child feels they belong. And trust me, that doesn't just change a child's day. It changes a family's whole world. Because every child deserves more than inclusion. Every child deserves to belong.